5 miles on a sidewalk takes 90 minutes, but 5 miles on a mountain can take 4 hours and leave you stranded in the dark. Beginners often assume their neighborhood walking pace applies to hiking. It doesn't. On a trail, linear distance is only half the equation. Vertical gain and terrain roughness are the factors that actually drain your energy tank. To prevent exhaustion, we use a modified version of Naismith's rule to estimate time, not just distance. Allow 1 hour for every 3 miles forward, plus an extra hour for every 1,000 feet of elevation gain. Surface quality drastically changes your speed. Rocks, roots, and mud force your stabilizer muscles to work overtime. A technical trail reduces your pace by 30 to 50% compared to a groomed fire road, regardless of your cardio fitness. Most beginners fear the climb, but the descent causes the most injuries. Going down steep terrain loads your knees and quads with 3 to 4 times your body weight, leading to jelly legs right when you need stability most. For your absolute first few hikes, ignore social media bragging and stay within these conservative limits. Only progress to the next level once you finish a hike feeling like you could have easily done more. Remember that distance equals time on feet. A short 4-mile hike often involves drive time, gearing up, water breaks, and navigation checks. A 3-hour moving time usually eats up 5 to 6 hours of your actual day. Before you head out, calculate the effort miles to see if the trail matches your current ability. If the total score exceeds 6 for your very first trip, pick a different, easier trail. Finally, plan conservatively. Start early to avoid chasing daylight, and pick a loop under 5 miles. Success isn't about how far you went. It's about getting back to the car safe, happy, and ready for the next one. Start short, finish strong, and build your mileage slowly.